Hello students, welcome in our fourth session, that is the question and answer of lesson the tsunami. Let's see what are the questions are there and I will help you to answer them. Okay students, let's see. uh, the first question is, say whether the following are true or false, and the first sentence is, Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in the tsunami. So what do you think? Yes, right, it is true, because Ignatius lost his wife, two children, his father-in-law and his brother-in-law in tsunami. Look at that next sentence. Sanju made it to safety after the tsunami. Sanjeev made it to safety after the tsunami. Is that right? No, because Sanjeev died in tsunami and therefore it is false. Okay. Meghna was saved by relief helicopter. Meghna was saved by relief helicopter. No, it is also false. Okay student, look at that next one. Alma's father realized that a tsunami was going to hit the island. Yes, Alma's father realized it and therefore they tried to escape from their own position. But it is very worst thing happened to them, that they were died into it, and therefore Alma's father realized that the tsunami was going to hit the island is the true sentence. Her mother and aunts were washed away with the tree that they were holding on it. Yes, this thing is happen with Alma's mother and her aunt, and they washed away. Okay, so this is also true one. Okay students, let's see what is the next question. Answer the following in a phrase or in a sentences, and the question is, look at that. Why did Tilly's family come to Thailand? Why did Tilly's family come to the Thailand? Tilly's family had come to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. This is the answer. Tilly's family had come to Thailand to celebrate Christmas. What? Look at that next question. What were the warning signs both Tilly and her mother saw? What were the warning signs that both Tilly and her mother saw? Both saw the sea rise, and it started to foam from whirlpools. Okay students, okay, look at that next question. Do you think Tilly's mother was alarmed by them? No, Tilly's mother was not alarmed by them. Okay, look at that next sentence and next question. Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Where had Tilly seen the sea behaving in the same strange fashion? Tilly had seen the strange sea behavior in the video in her class. Okay, so she saw that behaving of a sea which is in strange fashion in a video. Okay, okay, look at that next question. Where did the Smith family and the others on the beach go to escape from the tsunami? Where did they go? They went to the third floor of the hotel and they were saved. Okay, look at that next question. How do you think her geography teacher felt when he heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Okay, how do you think her geography teacher felt when he or she heard about what Tilly had done in Phuket? Okay, she felt very pleased and satisfied. Why? because she taught all the things to Tilly during her lecture, and Tilly had done great job to save the lives. Okay, student. So therefore, her teacher felt very pleased and satisfied. Okay, look at that next questions. In the tsunami, 1,50,000 people died. How many animals died? Yes, very few animals were died in tsunami, because as we know and we have seen in our lesson that animals have sixth sense, and therefore they sense the disaster coming or upcoming disasters. Okay, so look at that next question. How many people and animals died in Yala National Park? How many? 60 visitors and only 2 buffaloes. Okay, how many? 60 visitors and 2 buffaloes were died in Yala National Park. Okay, look at that next question. What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? What do people say about the elephants of Yala National Park? People say that the elephants ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. Look at that. People say that elephants ran from the beach an hour before the tsunami hit the coast. Okay. Look at that fourth one. What did the dogs in Galley do? What did the dogs in Galley do? The dogs in Galley refused to go to the beach for their daily exercise. The dog refused to go out for their daily exercise. Okay, like that we have solved the questions. Now working with the text, the questions given in your textbook. Let's see, discuss the following question in class, then write your own answer. The first question is, when he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about a tsunami? Give reason for your answer. Which sentence in the text tells you that the Ignatius family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? Look at that question once again. Uh, when he felt the earthquake, do you think Ignatius immediately worried about the tsunami? What do you think? No, Ignatius did not think about the tsunami. Which sentence in the text tells you that Ignatius' family did not have any time to discuss and plan their course of action after the tsunami struck? Yes, we will see. Look at that. No, Ignatius did not think about the tsunami. He thought that it was just an earthquake. So he took the television set off the table and put it on the ground. His family did not have time to discuss and plan their course of action. The following sentence tells about the chaos and confusion. Okay, look at that. Which sentence gives us a clear idea about that situation? Two of his children caught hold by the hands of their mother's father and mother's brother and rushed in the opposite direction. So this sentence suggests us that that family did not have the time to discuss the plan or their course of action. Okay, student. So look at that next question, question number 2. Which words in the list below describe Sanjeev in your opinion? Which word describes Sanjeev? As you know that Sanjeev is a policeman. He was very brave, and you can see which words. Look at that words first. Cheerful, ambitious, brash, brave, careless, heroic, selfless, heartless, humorous. Okay, I think you will tell that answer. Look, Sanjeev is very brave. He was a heroic person, and most important, he was selfless. As if he mind, he will he will save himself, but he did not do like that. He went to help others. And therefore these three qualities that Sanjeev had: brave, heroic and selfless. Okay, so look at that next thing. Use words from the list to complete the three sentences below. Use words from the list to complete the three sentences. You have to use these same words to complete the means you have to use these words to complete the sentence. Okay, look at that. I will help you to do that. First is, I don't know if Sanjeev was cheerful, ambitious or brash. You can put the ambitious and brash here. I think that he was very brave, heroic and selfless. To make these sentences meaningful, I have put these words here. Okay, and look at that third one. Sanjeev was not heartless, careless or humorous. He was not careless, he was not heartless, he was not humorous. Okay, so like that you can fill these words in these blanks. Look at that question next. How are Meghna and Alma's stories similar? Let's see. I will explain you. Alma's and Meghna's stories are very similar because both were lucky. Both were lucky. Meghna was carried away with her parents and other people, but she alone survived. Here, Meghna swept away with the water, but she alone survived. She was washed ashore by a wave. Almas, in case of Almas, Almas climbed onto a log of wood. When she opened her eyes, she found herself in a hospital in Kamorta. Okay, student. So this is the similar, and both are very lucky. Meghna was very lucky that she was actually survived alone and washed on the shore. Okay, and Almas got that log of wood, and she also saved herself, means alone she survived from her family. So both the stories are similarity, have similarity. Okay, question number 4, you can see, what are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? Look at that once again. What are the different ways in which Tilly's parents could have reacted to her behavior? What would you have done if you were in their place? We have seen before why Tilly's father or Tilly's parents restrict her to interview on television. Look at that answer. Tilly foresaw the danger of tsunami at once. Tilly foresaw means she had seen the danger of tsunami at once. She became hysterical. Her parents didn't ignore her. They were sure that something wrong must be going to happen. So they all left the beach and were saved. If I were in place of Tilly's parents, I might not have believed her. I might have scolded her for making nonsense situation. Like that you can answer it. Okay, student. Once again I repeat. Look at that. Tilly foresaw means Tilly had seen the danger of tsunami at once, and she became hysterical, means she cried out loudly. Okay, and her parents did not ignore her. They were sure that something wrong must be going to happen. So they all left the beach and were saved. If I were in place of Tilly's parents, okay, I might not have believed her. I might have scolded her for making nonsense situation. Okay, student. Look at that next question. If Tilly's award was to be shared, if Tilly's award was to be shared with someone, who do you think she should share it with? Her parents or her geography teacher? What do you think, student? Yes, it is very obvious that. Look at that answer. Tilly's award should be shared with her geography teacher. Her parents could not guess the tsunami was coming, and as her teacher actually advised her, actually showed the video, and that video helped Tilly to look or to share the information about tsunami with their parent. Okay, look at that next question. What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? What are the two different ideas about why so few animals were killed in tsunami? Which idea do you find more believable? Let's see. I will explain you. Very few animals were killed in the tsunami, as we learn in our lesson that very few animals were killed. Perhaps they feel the tremor much before, means that animals felt the tremor or disaster much before it will come, or they understood it before humans. Okay. Secondly, the animals have sixth sense. Animals have sixth sense. They can guess the coming disaster and so run away to safer places or higher ground. The idea that the animal are gifted with the sixth sense is more believable. They move fast to get over the crisis, and therefore this idea means animals have a sixth sense. Okay, it is more believable, and therefore they move fast to get the over the crisis. Okay, student. Okay, look at that. Next we will move toward the language, working with language. Easy questions are there. First question is, go through part 1, look at it carefully and make a list of as many words as you can find that indicates movement of a different kinds. If you read the first part carefully, you will list out some movements. Okay, and different kind of movements are there. There is a one word that occurs repeatedly. Count how many times. Okay, put that put them into three categories. That there are three categories: fast movement, then slow movement, then neither slow nor fast. Okay, can you explain why there are many words in column and not in the others? So we will see there are many words in a fast column, very less words in a slow movement column, and neither slow or nor fast column. Okay, look at that. I have made the column here. Fast movement, there fall, rush comes three times, swept away come three times, washed away one time, and slow, in slow movement, rising and recede. These two words indicate the slow moment. Neither slow or nor fast, only one word is there, means floating. Okay, look at that. There are more words in column A. These are related to fast movement of escape from the tsunami. It was natural for men and animals to make fast movements in such a situation, and therefore more words come in a fast movement. The waves also overtook some people very fast and washed them away, and therefore we have categorized these words into three columns. Look at that next question. It is the last question. Fill in the blanks in the sentence below. Okay, let's fill by the verbs given in the brackets, and that will give you a clue. The earth trembled, but not many people felt trembling. So tremble become trembling at the end. Okay, when the zoo was flooded, there was a lot of confusion. Look at that. Here confuse is the verb given in the bracket, and we make it noun, confusion. and many animals escape into the countryside. We have heard with relief. Here, relief became relief. We have heard with a relief that the lion had been recaptured. Okay, look at that next one. The zookeeper was stuck in a tree and his dot dot was filmed by the TV crew. So here word given is a rescue. So the zookeeper was stuck in a tree and his rescue was filmed by the TV crew. Look at that last one. There was much dot dot in the village when the snake karma came visiting. Excite is the verb given. There was much excitement. So excite is the verb. We make it noun excitement. Like that, you can use different verb to make it meaningful sentences. Okay, students. Here our session is going to be end. Thank you for hearing. All questions and answers are here. You have to write these in your notebook. Okay.